Well, today, Saturday, it's the first sunny day we've had for a long time. As you can see, things are starting to dry out a bit now. What we're looking at here is these Crocosmia. They've grown pretty tall, so what I'm going to be doing is staking them. I should have done these probably a couple of weeks ago, but these are what tools I've got. Got these pieces of wood that I took off of the plants I've staked, hammer them in, and all you do is get your cane in the end, like so, and that's it. And then you get your string and wire. So here we go. Let's get these stakes in first. Now this is string I get from the pound shop. You get 3 rolls of this here in the UK for £1. I could do with some string really because it's a bit softer, but it'll do the job. So yeah, as you can see, beautiful Crocosmia. First one, you get the stakes in. So let's get on with that. Right, just get the stake in here, go on the back, so you can get the wires round. So there's a piece of wood like this on the top, stop it splitting, and give it a good hammering. There you go. Right, so that's them stakes in there. I don't know if you can see them. That's one down there. There's one there, you can see. Just there. Get the cane in there now. Yep. Once you get these upright, you're going to do make a really good impression. That's the first cane in. Let's have a look around here. Sorry about this. Let's get the second cane in. As you can see, just in there like so. Get that just there. Get the second cane in. That's nice. Well, we can start setting up the string. I always start tying it off at the bottom of the string, and then you can pull it round and then gradually work your way up, so you end up get straight. So you end up with them all nice and straight and tall. So I shall push all these behind. Work round. Like so. So that's the first string in. I shall put another string in further up, and that shall just lift them out of the way. They don't have to be exactly straight, they just want to be off the walkway so I can get past them. So I shall put another string in there. If you've got any questions about anything in my garden, please don't hesitate to ask. If you like the videos, please subscribe, everybody. I know what's going on in the world these days, so as I get out in the garden, keep your mind off things. That's what it does for me anyway. See if I sound out of breath. Should have been smoking when I was younger. The second one, push it back again. And that's it. That's how to support your Crocosmias. I think you'll agree. Looks a lot better now. I can get on and off the garden, the lawn, cut it properly. So as you can see, that's one of these 1.5 by 1 inch, I think they are. Roofing slats drilled, so I can get a cane in. And you can adjust it to which height you want, and they don't bend as much. So that's that one. And then one round there. This one to put it back. But yeah, nice and tall. See them a lot better and plenty of space. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask. If you like the videos, please subscribe everybody, folks. Remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.